What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Now VPN account. This is super easy. The first way you can do this is to simply click on the remove ads section at the bottom there. So if you tap on remove ad, you will see that you get a pop-up where you can quickly purchase a plan from here. Alternatively, if you try to switch any one of those servers to anything apart from the free options, it will show you that you need to unlock, and you can tap on that. It takes you over to the section where you can purchase, right? Also, if you click the up or the four cube on the upper left hand side, you will be taken in where you can sign in your account. You can upgrade to premium, and of course you do that, you'll be able to sign up to get the premium account as well. So as you can see, the current plans that are there, the 1 month, you can get 3 months, and even 1 year. You can easily go ahead and get that as well. I think that it's super worth it to get, for example, the 1 year plan, because if you see the price, you get 62% discount if you upgrade right there. But that's it. Very easy and very simple how to upgrade your Now VPN account.